Ever get that sinking feeling when you reach for your debit card, only to be met with the dreaded insufficient funds message? We've all been there. But what if managing your Ally bank account was smoother than a freshly paved road? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Ally bank deposits, exploring all the ways to pump some serious cash into your account and keep your financial engine running. From the comfort of your couch to the hustle and bustle of your daily routine, we'll show you how to make those deposits a breeze. So, whether you're a seasoned Ally Bank pro or a newbie just getting started, this video is your one-stop shop for deposit mastery. The Ally Advantage, depositing like a boss. First things first, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Ally Bank doesn't have physical branches. That might sound like a hurdle, but fear not. Ally embraces the digital age, offering a variety of convenient deposit methods that put the power right in your hands. The magic of online transfers, your financial teleportation device. Think of an online transfer as your personal money transporter. You can zap funds directly from another bank account into your Ally haven. Here's the lowdown. Log into your Ally bank account. This is where the magic happens. Navigate to the transfer section, look for options like transfers or move money. Link your external account, provide the details of your other bank account, including the routing number and account number. Ally might need to verify ownership, but that's usually a quick process. Beam that money over, select the transfer amount and hit that glorious send button. Boom! Your Ally account is rejoicing with the influx of cash. The check's still in the mail, but can also be deposited online. For those who prefer the classic check format, Ally's got your back. Here's the e-check deposit trick. Download the Ally Bank mobile app. It's your key to deposit nirvana. Snap a clear picture, focus on both the front and back of your endorsed check, making sure everything is nice and readable. Submit your digital deposit, follow the app's prompts, enter the check amount, and watch your funds appear in your account, usually within a couple of business days. Direct deposit, the set it and forget it approach. Feeling like a busy bee? Direct deposit is your BFF. Here's the beauty of it. Talk to your employer or payroll provider, inform them that you want to set up direct deposit into your Ally bank account. Provide your account details. This includes your Ally routing number and account number. Easy peasy. Autopilot activated. From then on, your paycheck automatically gets deposited into your Ally account. No more scrambling to make transfers. It's like financial autopilot. For the big bucks, wire transfers. Need to move a larger sum of money quickly? Wire transfers are the express lane of deposits. Keep in mind that wire transfers often come with fees, so check with Ally for their current rates. Ally Bank deposits, a wrap-up. With a variety of deposit methods at your disposal, keeping your Ally bank account topped up is a breeze. From online transfers and e-checks to direct deposit and wire transfers, Ally caters to your financial needs and preferences. Remember, Ally doesn't accept physical cash deposits, but with the options we explored today, you'll never miss a beat. So, there you have it. Now you're a deposit pro, ready to conquer your financial goals with the power of Ally Bank. With that, thanks for watching and until next time.